food but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? Today, we will share special life hacks which will save you time and nerves. And first, let's share a life hack which can keep the lemon fresh for a long time. You will need 2 balloons. Cut the narrow parts off the balloons. Cut a 0.5-liter plastic bottle into 3 parts. Remove the middle part. You will not need it anymore. Pull the balloons to the bottom and the neck of the bottle. Try to connect them. It closes very tightly. Fold the lemon slices in the sealed container. Done! The lemon will remain juicy for a long time. Now, let's show how to make a squeezer for citrus from plastic bottles. You need 2 bottles of different sizes. Cut the bottom off the big bottle. Put a smaller bottle in it. Attach the position of the bottles, piercing them with a wooden skewer. Unscrew the cap of the bigger bottle. Install the plastic construction in a tall glass. Take half an orange. Press the citrus flesh into the bottom of the small bottle. Slowly but confidently, orange juice fills the glass beaker. Someone is waiting for a delicious vitamin drink. Did you plan a buffet table? I'll tell you how to quickly and beautifully decorate the festive table with bright canapes. Take a 20 milliliter medical syringe and cut off the plastic tip. Cut cucumbers and tomatoes into rings. For canapes to be satisfying, you need bread. Squeeze a circle of tomato, cucumber, and breadcrumb inside the syringe. Pass another round of products. Insert a skewer or a toothpick. Push the piston and gently squeeze out the canape from the syringe. Funny canapes! Traffic lights are ready! And cute napkin rabbits will make the supply of canapes more festive. Take a napkin, unfold and fold it along the length. Bend its edges to the center, smoothing them. Turn the lower ends this way. Turn over and bend the upper corner. Turn over again and connect the edges with each other. Straighten the ears. Our rabbit is ready. It turned out very cute. Heavy artillery enters the arena. A powerful giant screwdriver and a brush for washing bottles. Remove the plastic handle from the brush. Put it into the muzzle of the screwdriver. Pour water into a container with high sides. Put potatoes and carrots into it. Turn the screwdriver on and plunge the brush into the water. This is what a storm in a glass of water means. The cleaning mixer cleans vegetables from dirt and dust. As a result, a whole plate of freshly washed root vegetables. Just a super effect! Do not hide the screwdriver. It will come in handy again in the kitchen. Make it a mixer for whipping. Take the regular whisk and insert it into the hole of the screwdriver. Test it! The device works! Break a chicken egg! Separating the yolk, we collect the whites in a clean container. First, whisk the pure whites. In the process, add a little sugar. Continue to beat until the whites turn into a dense white mass. Even if you don't have an electromixer on hand, you can always indulge yourself with airy and fragrant meringues. Do you want to save your hands while washing and cleaning vegetables? We have an innovative solution. You will need dense rubber gloves and metal brushes. Using a hot glue gun, fasten the brushes to the gloves. That's all! The invention is ready for operation. Now your hands will remain clean, and the vegetables too, and young potatoes will even get rid of the peel. And now we will tell you if you can do without buying tongs for cooking. You need 2 tablespoons, a rubber band, and a paper clip. Insert a spoon into the handle of the clamp and attach it with an elastic band. Do the same with the second spoon. The tongs are comfortable and functional. And in this life hack, we will share an excellent idea for sorting lids. You need a few self-adhesive hooks. Choose the door of the kitchen furniture and glue the 2 hooks at an angle to each other. See how the lid is comfortable in the new parking lot? And next, you can hang a frying pan or a ladle. Very practical! And let's show some more ways of using self-adhesive hooks right away. Glue the hooks on the door of the furniture and hang a plastic basket on them. Containers for small but important items in the kitchen are ready. And how did we not come up with this before? If you need to rub carrots or beets but don't want to spoil the new manicure, use our life hack. Take a regular fork, plant a vegetable on it, and rub it as usual. Such a holder will save your fingers from cuts and leave your nails whole. What does the eyelash curler and the Coke bottle have in common? At least the fact that such tongs can be used as a bottle opener. One movement and the lid flies off the bottle. Unusual, but very practical. A bag with plastic bags is no longer relevant. We will make a convenient dispenser for packages from improvised materials. You need a box of paper napkins. Put the roll with the plastic bags in the box. Leave the end of the package outside. Done! Compact and neat. I decided to make an original dish, but don't know where to put the sheet with the recipe. We know how to correct the situation. You will need printed recipes for your favorite dishes and a hanger with clothespins. Clamp the sheet with the recipe and hang on the handle of the kitchen set. The selection of recipes is always before your eyes. Simple and very convenient. We'll tell you how to make an egg separator with your own hands. You will need a plastic bottle, or rather, its lower part. Turn the bottle bottom and make cuts this way. Now the incisions need to be processed by the candle flame. Light a candle and heat the plastic over the fire. Bend the preheated plastic outward. You get such petals. Break a chicken egg. Rotate your divider, tilting it in different directions. The yolk remains in the middle and the white flows through the holes. This is absolutely necessary for preparation of magnificent biscuits and a fragrant cream. If you've got some unnecessary hoops, do not rush to get rid of them. I'll tell you how to turn them into a convenient grid for vegetables. In addition to the embroidery frame, you will need a rope. Disconnect the hoop. Tie the pieces of rope in this way throughout the perimeter of the ring. Place the knots equidistantly from each other. Attach the second part of the hoop and proceed to the weave. Binding neighboring ropes to each other, weave a capacious grid. Finish the weaving with one common knot. Catch the net on the hook and fill it with vegetables. It looks like a ring for a mini basketball, stylish and very comfortable. Want to quickly make a summer salad, but there's nowhere to put peels from vegetables? You can adapt an empty box from tea to a garbage storage. Press the lid of the cardboard box against the table with a plank. Cut vegetables and brush peels in the box. It is easy and clean. Regular clothespins make original clips for small kitchen towels. Take a marker and paint the wooden clothespin in the right color. The sides can be decorated with floral ornament. With the help of hot glue, fasten the decorated clothespins to the work surface. Beautiful and functional. Want to quickly warm up the breakfast, but there is only enough space in the microwave for just one plate? An ordinary cup of water will help solve this problem. Put a cup on a circle and establish a plate with a bun on top. Warm up and it's ready. A few seconds and a hot breakfast is already on the table. Small stocks of vegetables are conveniently stored in the organizer for papers. You need a plastic multi-storage organizer. Fill each of the floors with products. Due to the holes in the plastic, the structure is well ventilated. This means that the vegetables will remain fresh for a long time. Let's share a simple idea of a sponge holder for washing dishes. You need a small plastic bottle. Cut the top off the bottle in the shape of a scapula. Make an incision in the center. Catch the holder on the water tap and put the sponge in it. To make sure the water quits holding, just unscrew the cap. Very convenient. If you had to peel a young carrot, you know how long it takes. This life hack will save not only your precious time, but also the nerve spent on cleaning the disobedient vegetable. You need a metal plug for the sink. Press it to the root crop and clean the peel. According to the way it works, it resembles a grater for vegetables, only the plug acts softer and cleans only a tiny layer of peel. A couple of minutes and it's done. We hope that with our life hacks, your kitchen life will be much easier. Which of the ideas will you test today? the cooking tongs, the squeezer for the orange juice, or the clamp for your favorite recipes. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to Troom Troom Select. Click on the bell so as not to miss our new videos.